Yeah. I miss her on the bench.
Me
She was
too.
great. I loved how she was so intent on making sure that the evidence came out correctly. And I never had another judge do this, but I had a jury trial with her, and she actually allowed the jury to submit questions for the witnesses. Not only would she
Mhm.
ask questions of the witnesses, she would allow
Yeah.
them. And so what she did was she would read the questions, and then we would have a sidebar with the attorneys. We would all come up, and she would say, "I believe this is an appropriate question that I want to ask. After I ask this question, you will be able to follow up with the witness of any questions you have." And sometimes the questions they asked were improper, and she did not ask those. So she read the question, and the witness answered. And I thought it was what a great way to make
Yeah.
sure that the jury is hearing what the story actually is. It's so easy as an attorney to kind of especially towards the end, to get the blinders on where you're not seeing, you see the issues so clearly that you forget, I've been working on this case for 18 months. Of course, I
Right.
see the issues clearly, and to be able to stay in line and make sure that the trier of fact hears it too. So
Yeah.
that's really great that your story is around Judge Naranjo. Yeah, that's if we. I hope our current judiciary in Travis takes note of the legacy that she left and tries to live up to that, because we have a lot of new judges in Travis. So
Yeah,
far, I've
we
got good
do.
experiences, but we've got a lot of new judges.
Yeah,
Um,
definitely. Judge Naranjo was one of the best.